Let me show you all of the hidden battery settings in Samsung Galaxy S26. So first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device, and then we can go to battery. And now if we enter it, first of all, we can go for power saving, and then inside the hidden option can be found by clicking on those three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And then there's the adaptive power saving. You can turn it on and off, and what it does, it turn power saving on and off automatically based on your usage patterns. So we can enable or disable that option, and this is the first hidden one. Then we can go to the background usage limit, and there's also three dots right there. We can go to adaptive battery, and you can also turn it on and off, and what it does, it extends your battery life based on your phone usage as well. So that is all of the hidden battery options. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.